Hello guys, today I want to show you how to clean your motorcycle. Before that, please subscribe, like and share. Now, prepare tool and material for washing motorbikes. First, buckets, water, spoons, soap and washcloths. First, you have to make water mixed with the soap and stir until it becomes bubble. Second, wet the motorcycle from the top, then down until evenly distributed. Third, wash with soapy water until evenly distributed to look shiny when finished washing. After that, rinse with water until evenly distributed. After rinsing with water and then dry with a cloth, polish it until no residual water in the body of the motorcycle. Finally, your bike now is clean, and thank you for watching and bye bye.